If you love healthy cookies as much as I do, then you're gonna adore these gluten-free cookies made with almond flour, dates, hemp seeds, and peanut butter. All you need is 1 cup of dates. Make sure they're pitted, and I like to break them up a little bit too. Then I add about 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of hemp seeds. And then I pour in 1 cup of almond milk or soy milk or whatever. And then stir it up a little bit, and you want the dates to soak up some of that liquid before making the cookies so that they're softer. So after you let that soak a little bit, you can add in 1/4 cup of peanut butter and kind of like mush it and mash it in there. The peanut butter is going to absorb some liquid and get softer as well. I also added baking soda and baking powder just to help with the cookie shape and texture while it's baking. These cookies are really great for breakfast, for meal prep, for plant protein. Okay, once you've soaked the dates, add in 3 cups of almond flour. And then mix it up again. I whisked it as much as I could. It was a little difficult with the big chunks of dates. So after I whisked it, I used my hands and I mashed it up and kneaded it and just molded it and squished it up. Make sure that the peanut butter is spread about evenly. You can also add in a sugar replacement at this point before you mold the cookies themselves. I like to use keto-friendly sugar like monk fruit because it's more natural. But you can use stevia or real sugar, whatever you want, or leave it out. So once you're done with that, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Grease your sheet pan, or you can use parchment paper. And I ended up making 10 medium-sized cookies, about the circumference of a baseball. And then flatten them out with your hands or a fork. And I baked them for about 12 to 13 minutes, and then I kind of let them sit in the oven for another 5 minutes after I turned the oven off. And then I let them cool down before I tried to eat them because they would have been too crumbly without it.